Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you this is step by step how to build a free website. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to this video. Down the description you see a link right there and click this link here. So the link is going to take you to the Worthy Affiliate platform where you can build online business, a profitable online business. If you want to make money online, this this platform is for you. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and how to become online entrepreneur, this is a platform that you want to sign up for. So you want to make sure that you create an account here. When you create your account, as you can see, I'm already created my account. So when you create your account, then you'll be able to interact and build website. So let's go to I want to build a free website. I've already created my profile and set it up. As you can see right there, this is me here. And you can even check me out when you sign up. So I want to build a free website. Let's click on this at the top there, website. So you want to go to site builder because you want to build a website. So here at the site builder, you can build. You have ability to build a free website here. You also have 2 to 3. You also have free domain here waiting for you. You can bring your domain from any other platform here to this platform here, or you can register a domain from the platform. Just go to the platform. If you want to register your domain name, just go to the click here and go to and register your domain name that you like. You can bring any domain from other platform. If you have, for example, if you have a domain on GoDaddy, you can bring it to the platform. If you have a domain on Namecheap, you can bring it to the platform. So let's say I want to build a website on a free domain here. So let's click on this. So here you want to type your domain name here. So I want to build a website on fitness, so I want to call it Fitness Allen. Also Fitness Allen. Let's name the title of our website. Let's add the title, yeah. Fitness Allen. So now from here you can choose any design that you like for your website. So just look around. These are great things that you can pick. Just pick any design for your website. So my website is about fitness. So let me choose this one here for my website. Let's say I want to choose this. I'll just click on it. So as you can see, this is my website. So if you like, you can also change it to another thing. But I like the design of the website right now. So let's build this website here. So you want to build let's build my website. I want to click that. There, my website has been built. So as easy as that, this is how you build a free website on Worthy Affiliate platform. It is very fast and it is faster than any other platform that I ever used. It's very easy and anyone can build website here. So let's say I want to log into my website now. That I've finished building it. So let me log into the website. So now let's see how the website look like in real life. So here is the website. As you can see, the website looks great. Look professional also. The website look great. Let's scroll down. It look professional. look great and professional. So let's say I want to add plugin to my website. So let's go back to the dashboard here. Let's say I want to add some plugins to my website and set some things up. So you want to go to plugins here, and you want to install add new. You want to go add new. So from here, if you add new here, you can add new plugin to your website here. Any plugin at all, any plugin you like. So let's say I want to install Classic Editor. You can just click that. The plugin has been installed. So let's say I want to install another one again. Let's say I want to install this plugin here. Just write any plugin you want. You can write any plugin you like. Let's say I want to install social. So let's say I want to install this plugin. Just click that and install it. Done. So if I want to activate it, I just click here and activate. So now let's see all the plugins that I've just installed. So these are plugins that are installed right now. So let's say I want to activate this. So and I can activate that. And I can also activate this. Let's say I want to set things up here. Let's say I want to be using the Classic Editor instead of the block editor to edit my blog. So let's say I want to go to general and go to written. So I want to change it to Classic Editor, okay? Yes. And click save change. Okay, that is done. Now let's say I want to change the theme. So let's say I don't like the theme. I want to change the theme of the website. Just go here. Go to appearance and themes. So here I can change this theme here to another theme. So let's say I want to add, let's say this tree, I don't like that. I want to add more theme. Click here, add new theme. Then this will take you to the theme zone where you can upload new theme. So these are themes that you can upload to the. So let's say I want to check for new theme. Let's say fitness. Okay, let's say I want to use this Gym Fitness WordPress. Let's say I want to use it. Just click install. And if you want to preview it before you install it, just go here. You can preview how it looks like before you install the theme to your website. This one also looks great. So let's activate and publish it. So let's use this. So let's go back to our website. So let's say I want to. So now let's see how it looks like now. Let's see it on the real life again. This is the website in real life. Now let's say I want to add menu here. Let's say I want to add some menu. So let's go to menus. So I want to create menu. You go here and name your menu. Let's name this main menu. So let's say I want to add. Okay, I want to add that. So then you create. So now that you have created your menu, so you want to choose it as your primary menu. So then you click save. If you like, you can move this around. If you want this to be simple page, to be in front, or you want this to be at the back, then click save. Now let's see how it looks again. Now we have our menu here. So let's say I want to add another stuff to the menu here. Let's say I want to add blog, I want to add other pages to the menu. So let's go back to the dashboard again. So let's add post. No, let's go to pages. Let's add new pages. Let's add new page. So let's call this blog. And publish it. So let's add another one again. Let's call this contact. So here is one. If you want to, you can add your contacts for your viewer to contact you here. So let's publish it. Let's create another one again. Let's call it about. Here is where people will want to write about yourself and your website there. So let's publish that. So now that all this has been published, so now you want to add them to the menu so that your visitors can easily see all these pages right from the top. So let's add it to the menu. Let's go to the menu now. We go to appearance. We go to menu. Now let's go to all pages. So we want to add about, we want to add blog, we want to add contact. So let's click add to menu. So as you can see, all these are now added to the menu. So we can move this up here, then move this down here, or move this one down here. Let's drag it down. Let's drag this one up here. Okay, now let's click save. Now let's see how it looks like now. Let's see how it looks like. So now the website is now looking great and professional. So we have our website title, we have our menu, we have the front page here, blog. Okay. And that's how you build a free website. That's how you build website on the platform. So let's say I want to add another one. I want to add another thing again. Let's say I want to add um, let's say I want to customize the logo. So I want to go to general setting. I want to go to site identity. So from here you can change you can add logo here. I never create my logo. If you guys want to know how to create logo, check my video down below. If you want to check that, I'll make a video about how to create your logo. So if you want to add tagline, fitness, guide, tips. Okay, let's say I want to make it fizz. Okay, okay. Let's say I want if you, okay, it is visible. Let's say if I want to make it hidden, I will just click here. I don't want it to be. I don't want to share it to people. I just click here. If I take that, if I click here, it will be hidden again. As you can see, everything has been hidden. So let's make it visible again, back again. So let's click right there. So if you scroll down here you can add icon here. If you like, you can make it the same logo. You can use the same logo for your icon. If you like, you can add icon here, logo there. So when you finish, you click publish. And that is it. So my site is now looking great. It started to looking great and professional. So that's how you build a website. So guys, let me see your comment down below. Guys, subscribe to this channel and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.